Hi again, this is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Writing Tic Tac Toe. This game involves no prep, but you're going to need some scrap pieces of paper. The first thing you're going to do is divide the class into two teams, and within those teams, you're going to divide the class into groups so that they're not working alone. So on this side, maybe there's 9 students, maybe I'll have 3 different groups of 3. Same with on this side, it doesn't matter if there's really 2 or 3. So everybody's got a piece of paper in their group on their team, okay? Then I'm gonna have 2 kids, one from each side, to rock, paper, scissors. So, rock, paper, scissors, boom! Okay, X wins. So I'm gonna choose the letter T. So I'm gonna just circle this. It's gonna be X's team. We're T, so all this side is T, and this side is the L. Okay, so you guys have to find words that start with the letter L. You guys have to find words that start with the letter T. They have 30 seconds to write down as many words as they can that start with that letter. The teacher can decide if they write down walk or talk, if they want talks, talking, if that counts as 3 words or just 1 word. So the teacher make up your own rules about that. So I'll be like, kids, ready? 1, 2, 3, go, write. So the kids are writing down their words. 30 seconds is up, stop. So I go down and I count how many words each group has, and I make sure that the spelling's correct. If the spelling's not correct, they don't get a point for that. So this team total has 19 words. This team total has 21 words. So this grid is O for tic-tac-toe, okay? The losing team, I make them all stand up. Every single person on the losing team needs to make a sentence with one of the words they wrote down. And then we continue. Okay, 2 more kids. Rock, paper, scissors. Boom. Carson's the winner.
N.
N. So this side is N. Okay. And we are X. Okay. So M, N, ready, go. Repeat. X1. X is the winner.